Amazing weight loss story, the incredible radical change of a man leaving junk food and alcohol. An average of 6,000 calories per day were consumed. Dan Davidson, a 26-year-old, decided to say goodbye to their extra kilos after ashamed for being dubbed as fat. In a year he has managed to lose 25 kilos, and your body has nothing to envy to David Beckham. Junk food and a bottle of vodka a week. These were the mainstays of the diet of Dan Davidson. A 26-year-old in just 1 year has achieved a radical change in his physique. Being dubbed as fat has become the new Beckham, and is not for less because it has managed to lose a whopping 25 kilos and 400 grams. The new Dan appeared at the time that while on holiday in Mallorca realized he was ashamed of his treasury. He did not dare to take off her shirt for a dip, and this young Grimsby weighed more than 100 kilos. Now, a year after healthy diet based on chicken breast and grilled fish recognizes that, fails to believe the change has given, and none of this would have been possible without the mother of his children. An instructor in a gym under the epithets of fat, Dan is bi, while without thinking twice decided to do a photo shoot in the style of David Beckham. As some have called you friends, I've worked very hard to get the body of my dreams, and I do not see why I should not celebrate that success.